My family loves my buttercream frosting, but it's not the most stable in the summer heat. So today I'll be making Italian buttercream frosting because it's the most stable. So this recipe starts with egg whites. Whenever you're whipping egg whites, you must know that you cannot have any yolk because then it will not whip up. Your bowl needs to be completely clean of any oil. So I like to take just a little dab of vinegar and I wipe it down. We need a quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar. That helps stabilize the egg whites. Quarter teaspoon of salt for flavor. Whisk this on medium. And then I'm going to slowly add a third cup of sugar, and we're going to whip it until soft peaks. So while the egg whites are whipping, we want them to be a soft peak. I'm going to go over and start my syrup. Once I get that started, I'll put this back on high and we can let both things work together. So I want to take a cup of sugar. I'm putting it in a deep saucepan. I'm turning my heat on medium. Third a cup of water. And then we want to heat this up till it reaches 240 degrees, which is the soft ball stage. Once that sugar melts, we don't want to touch it. We're just going to let it do its thing and come up to temperature. And that should be done about the same time that the soft peaks is formed, and we can go on to the next step. Okay, we have reached the soft boil stage, 240 degrees. So gotta be careful here. Remember, this is hot stuff. So we take our soft peak egg whites. We're going to slowly add this hot syrup and along the sides. You don't want to dump it right in. You do it slowly. And then we're going to do it at a medium-high whisk until it's no longer hot. So until the bowl is a little bit tepid. Okay, so the frosting is cool to the touch. The bowl is cool to the touch. Now I can go ahead and add my butter slowly until it's fully incorporated. It may look like it's breaking down a little bit, but once we add all the butter and whip it, it will smooth out and be real creamy. So here we go. Make sure you change from the whisk to the paddle attachment when you add the butter. Last thing we want to do is beat in our flavoring. Today I'm going to use a little bit of vanilla. You could use orange liqueur or almond. It's entirely up to you. About a teaspoon. Let that incorporate. And our frosting is done. Here is our finished buttercream. Look at how thick and gorgeous that is. So this needs to be used up right away, or you can refrigerate it for up to like 3 days. Now this is very stable. This is not going to melt on you. It's going to be one of the last things that gets too soft in the summertime. So it's great for cupcakes or to ice cakes, and especially if you're going to be serving it outside or taking it on a picnic. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Ciao.